part of a good grooming routine for your dog is cleaning his ears. Keeping them clean prevents bacteria, parasites, and painful ear infections. Check them once a week for dirt or odor, especially if your dog has floppy ears. If ear cleaning is new to your dog, slowly get him used to having his ears touched for a week or so before you try it. The supplies you'll need include a collar and leash, non-slip mat, towel, ear cleaner, cotton balls or squares, along with your dog's favorite treats. Dog ear cleaner is available at most pet stores and is designed to gently remove dirt and wax buildup from your dog's ears. If your dog is small, use a high-top surface that's comfortable and place your dog on a towel. If he's larger, just have him sit on a non-slip surface or mat. And if needed, put on his collar and leash to keep him close. Rule number 1. Never use cotton swabs in your dog's ears or any object that could puncture his eardrum. Start by checking the outer ear first. If you see dirt, wipe it away gently using an ear cleaner on a cotton ball or square. Next, flip your dog's ears back and look inside that ear canal. Make sure there isn't a bad odor or visible discharge, which could be signs of an ear infection. Consult with your veterinarian if you notice anything wrong with your dog's ears. If the skin looks healthy and pink, lightly wipe away any loose dirt or earwax. Once you're all done, be sure to reward your dog with praise and a favorite treat.